Oh!
Ew! Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys probably noticed, I'm wearing a color that isn't generally in my color wheel, but you guys voted, so I'm gonna be eating black foods for 24 hours. If you guys want to see me eat another crazy color for 24 hours, get this video to 15,000 thumbs up and you guys can decide my next color. I honestly think that finding black foods is gonna be even harder than pink foods. Like, the only black food I can think of is licorice, and I'm allergic to that. So we're gonna go to the store and see what we can find. Okay guys, so we obviously have to start our day off with Starbucks, but I'm kind of sad because the only thing I can drink at Starbucks is black coffee, and we all know how much I like black coffee. But guys, because I love you, I am going to drink the entire cup of black coffee on camera with you guys. Hi, could I please have a grande black iced coffee? Yay, okay, we got our coffee. But before I drink this, I wanted to thank our sponsors, Zyn app, for helping me purchase my Starbucks today. I know a lot of you guys are watching this and probably bored at home, but I found a solution that makes quarantine super fun and also helps you make a little bit of money. The Zyn app is a short form video platform where you get paid to make videos as well as by watching content every single day. You are able to film and upload videos directly from the app. One of my favorite features from the app is the beauty filter because it makes you look bomb. You will never get bored on this app, and the content you see on your homepage is catered to you, so everyone's homepage is different. When you download the Zyn app, they will immediately pay you $1, and for everyone you refer to download the Zyn app, they will pay you another $6. Right now, you also get a bonus of $10 if you sign up 5 people to download the Zyn app using your code. I literally made everyone in my family download the Zyn app, so I'd be able to get this coffee. With the Zyn app, you can also earn up to $1 every time you log in and use the app. There is no limitations on how much money you can make, and it's super easy to withdraw money through your PayPal. You guys can use my referral code right here to make $1 when you sign up, and now you guys can start making some money. Guys, it's time. It's time to drink my black coffee. Guys, this is just so not me. Like, you guys know I like sugary and sweet stuff, and black coffee is like my least favorite thing to have. Okay, here we go, guys. It smells gross. Let me just taste it.
Oh.
Should I plug my nose?
Oh.
Ew! People really drink this? Okay, here we go, take 2. I don't wanna cry. I don't like it. Here we go, take 3. Guys, I know I said I could do it, but I failed you. I really just can't do it. And this is a terrible start to the day. Like, this is how much I drank so far, and it's just not how, I can't do it. I just, no. And hopefully the rest of my day is not this bad. Okay guys, this is my first black meal of the day, and guess what I found at the store? Black bread. What are the odds? And it's gluten-free. And I'm also gonna be adding on blackberry jam. I feel like this is actually gonna taste pretty good. I've got my little fruit of blackberries right beside me. I'm gonna eat on the side. What? It smells like how like you would think black bread would smell. Okay, I think it's ready now. Ow! 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 Oh my god, this is hard. Oh. That sound is so satisfying. Okay, now this looks good. I am making it messy. This is actually pretty good. Ready? This is the ultimate blackberry sandwich. Black meal number 1, complete. I'm gonna gobble this all up and I will see you guys at lunchtime. Alright, it's now lunchtime and I'm gonna be having some black japonica rice and some black beans and also my black chips. These chips are called blue chips, but whoever named these are definitely colorblind because these chips are clearly black. Yo, these are fire. This looks like something like someone would be served out of prison. I have my black beans here as well. I'm gonna pour some of them in. Okay, I'm gonna add some black pepper in here. This just looks like so unappetizing. Like, I'm not even looking forward to this. Crusher! This is what I'm working with. Not that bad. It's just very bland and plain. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this all up. But I am so excited for my next meal because I have a surprise in store for you guys. You're gonna wanna stay tuned for the next one because I put a lot of effort into it. So no day is complete without ice cream, and it is literally impossible to find black ice cream at the store. So I took it into my own hands and created my own black ice cream. So last night, I created our black ice cream here. So I whipped up heavy cream and mixed in condensed milk. And then I also put in our secret ingredient, which is our black activated charcoal, which is what makes it black, obviously. And then we put it into our glass container and let it sit in the freezer for about 24 hours. And this is what it looks like. It looks beautiful. I cannot wait to try it. Also last night, we made our beautiful little ice cream cones that we have here. So to make these black ice cream cones, I mixed in sugar and 2 eggs. And then I also put in butter and gluten-free flour because, of course, gluten-free here. And then we ended it off with our black activated charcoal inside as well. We pretty much just made like mini crepes and then took them off the pan and then folded them into like this cone form, and then they like hardened in this position. So we're gonna try it and I'm excited. I'm gonna have to use my fingers here. This is perfect! Whoa, this looks good. Can we just take a minute and look at that? I'll lick it first. This is good! It's like really good. It's so sweet, that condensed milk. Oh my gosh, this is so good. The cone is so good. The cone is literally better than the ice cream. Guys, I'm gonna leave the instructions in the description box below because I highly recommend you trying to make these, but remember to do it with your parents because you don't want to hurt yourself doing anything. Alright guys, it's dinner time now, and I have my black bean organic pasta that I'm going to be cooking up, and I'm also going to be making blackened steak. I've got my oven mitt on for safety, right on that pan. Oh my god, this piece is huge. That is crazy. I've never seen black spaghetti before. I hope it tastes good because I have no idea. Look at this pasta. Oh my god, that kind of looks gross. It looks like witch's hair. Look at my dinner. It's all black. Like, oh my god, it looks like I'm eating like a dark soul. Oh my god. I also got my Diet Coke here with me that I'm gonna pour into a glass. Here we go. In that Diet Coke goes. Who drank all my Coke? Okay, so I'm really nervous to try this pasta because it smells kind of weird. It's like bean pasta, but I don't know. And like, it looks like an old lady's hair. I don't love it. Like, it's not terrible. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, let's try the steak. That is so good. I love when my steak is fully cooked. Check that out. Like, honestly, the flavor of this steak is so good. We put the right seasonings on. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish this off, and I have one more snack before bedtime, so I will see you guys then. All right, guys, this is my last meal of the day, and I froze up some black grapes because frozen grapes are so much better than regular grapes. So I'm gonna try these. I've actually never had black grapes before, so I'm gonna see how they are. They're very sweet. They don't taste like regular grapes. Sorry, I'm dying. I definitely thought eating black foods today was gonna be a lot harder than it was, but it was actually pretty easy, and a lot of my meals today were really healthy. Like, this is my second fruit today. Okay, so I'm gonna finish eating up all of my grapes here and watching my new favorite Netflix series, The Outer Banks, Oh my gosh, I'm literally obsessed with this show right now. What are some of your guys' favorite Netflix shows? Because after this series, I'm gonna need another one. So comment down below what your guys' favorite Netflix shows are. Thank you guys so much for watching. Eating black foods today was actually a lot of fun. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn those post notifications on so you get an alert every time I upload a new video. And guys, comment down below which color I should do next. Bye! Oh, I spilled it.